You guys, so welcome to part 3 of my scripting tutorial on how to make a cool Roblox game, so you can actually make really cool Roblox games if you know how to script, and you can actually earn a lot of Robux through scripting, but many people don't really know that, so I would really recommend you learning scripting, and I'm going to try to make it as easy as possible for you. So basically, what you guys can go ahead and do in this tutorial, we're just going to make this an actual win part. So we're going to actually make this like a win part that we're going to touch and then get wins, but we'll actually also get teleported back to our base plate. So we're actually going to scale this a lot smaller so that we have our spawn location. Where's our spawn location? Oh, it's right there. We're just going to move this over here, and then we're going to also select the base plate. We're also going to unlock it. So I'm pretty sure it should say locked somewhere. We're just going to disable that. And then we're going to scale this like this. Now we have our spawn location as well. Now you can basically build like an obby type of thing. So I'm just going to make a folder where I put in all the parts so that it's organized. So I'm going to make this obby, and I'm just basically going to do some basic jumps. So I'm just going to do like this. Make sure you anchor all your parts. So if you want to make fading parts, that's pretty easy. So yeah, that's actually like really easy to do. Basically, what you guys want to go ahead and do, we're going to insert a script in here. We're going to do script.parent.touched connect function hit. So now what we're going to do is actually we're going to first do local touched equals to false. Now we're going to do if touched is equal to false, and then we're going to do touched equals to true, wait 3 seconds, script.parent. Actually, we don't even need to wait 3 seconds. We're just gonna do like script.parent.transparency equals to 0.1, and then we're just gonna 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1. So we're just gonna make this every single here. You can also make this automatic, but so just like this, and then script.parent.canCollide is equal to false. What you can also do is put a wait here so that it actually waits every time, so that it doesn't basically do this instantly. I don't really know if this works. I don't really do fading parts. I only do disappearing parts, and they're way easier to make. And then wait 2, and then script.parent.transparency equals to 1. Actually equals to, what did it say there? Okay, no. Script.parent.transparency equals to 0. And script.parent.canCollide is equal to true. And then touched is equal to false as well. So I'm not really sure if this works as intended, but we're just going to try it out. So we're just going to jump here. And yeah, it disappears, and then it actually regenerates after 2 seconds. So you basically need to do that obby jump pretty fast because it disappears, and after 2 seconds it appears again. So that's pretty cool. So that actually works pretty well, and it also looks pretty smooth. Basically, you can also do like 4 I comma like 10, and then you can basically repeat that 10 times. But this also works pretty well. And then basically what you can go ahead and do is fading. We can just basically make an obby out of this. So we're just gonna do it like this. And we could also do like a staircase of those, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm also gonna enable R6. I just like R6, so yeah. Now I'm also gonna set the time to well, 0. I think that looks pretty cool. And yeah, I think that looks pretty cool. And then we can also make like a ladder type of thing, or we can just add a truss in here. So we're gonna add a truss part. We're also gonna anchor it, and basically you need to climb this in order to, well, get up, you know. Oh, but you actually can't do multiple. You actually have, if you want to have multiple, you need to have it like duplicated and then move them exactly where they need to be. So for example, you need to align them, else it doesn't look like it's one truss. But if you just connect them like I do, then it looks like it's one single truss. And then you can also union it if you want. And then it also you yourself also think it's one single truss, so you can just select all, click model, and then click union. Oh wait, you can actually not union these, but you can actually group these. So just do Control G and then trusses. And now I'm actually gonna make the wind part be on top. So I'm actually gonna resize this a lot, cause well, I want this to fit perfectly. So we're gonna do it like this, then like this. We're also gonna make transparency 1, and basically we're just gonna have it like this. Now basically we're also gonna have a little cooldown, so we're gonna do is like local cooldown equals false. And now we're also gonna do like if cooldown equals to false, then and then the end right there. And now we're also gonna do a local humanoid root pot is equal to hit, or actually we can put this below, so a local humanoid root pot is equal to character wait for child humanoid root pot. Now we're gonna do, or actually find first child, and then what we're gonna do is cooldown equals to true. And then we're gonna do humanoid root pot dot cframe is equal to workspace dot spawn location dot cframe plus vector3 dot new 0,2,0. This basically just prevents you from like glitching inside of the part, like inside of the spawn location. And we're gonna do wait 0.5 cooldown equals to false. This just prevents you from getting way too many wins. Now basically you saw that I have 111 wins. Now to reset this, you can actually just change the data store name. So the win data store name, I changed it to wins data. And now if I join the game, I'll have 0 wins. And the disappearing parts work, and this also works, so I just got 1 win. Now this wins loading part doesn't work anymore. Wins is not a valid member of folder leader stats. Wait, what? Okay, I have no idea why that's a thing. I'm just gonna rename this to Wins 1, I guess, but why does that appear? That's kind of weird. Yeah, it says Wins loading. Wins is not a valid folder. I have no idea why that's a thing. Did I not name it correctly? I did. I actually also wait, no, yeah. Wait, what? Okay, that I actually don't know why this is happening. Wait, but how does the cache script work? And it basically does the same thing. Let me just change it back to wins. Will it then work? Nope. I mean, the wins 111 will appear, but this also won't be there. The wins loading will also be broken. I mean, I'll just completely like delete this, copy this over here. I have no idea why it didn't work because it literally worked last episode. So local wins equals to leader stats dot wins, and then wins we can actually do cache replace wins. There we go. And then you can also change this, so wins, and same thing with this, so wins like this. So this should finally work. I have no idea why that doesn't work, but and it still doesn't work, even though it literally does the same thing. So wait, let me check. Is wins, is there a value inside of me? There is the wins value, but it doesn't change the I have like absolutely no clue. Like I do not know. I just don't know. I literally did the same thing then here. The wins thing appears, so bro, why is that a thing? Why is that a thing? Local wins equals to instance.new int value, comma leader stats. Wins.name equals to wins. Wins dot value is equal to data win data store get async wins underscore dot player dot user ID or 0. This is literally how it's supposed to work. It's loading. What about cache? It works with cache. It doesn't work with wins. I am so confused. I am so confused right now. I don't know if I'm doing something obviously wrong, but what? How does that not work? It literally should work as intended. There is a wins value inside of the leader stats. That's just how it works. Where is it? Now it doesn't even appear. Let me join the game again. Yeah. Wins is not a valid member of folder. It literally is. It literally is a valid member of folder leader stats. It literally is a valid member of it. What do you mean? What do you mean? I just try leader stats wait for child wins, but it shouldn't really change anything. I swear if this works, then that's just really broken. Okay, now it works. So I guess you can use wait for child. I don't really know how that changes anything, but basically if I touch the part, it teleports us back to the start. And boop, it basically just does that every single time. So oops, yeah. So that is how that would actually work. So that is how you can make a win part like this, and that's just way easier to do. Sorry about the things with the script not working. I still don't know why it didn't find the thing. It should literally appear every single time, but it's alright. So basically I'm gonna just change this to wins stat. Yeah, I hope you still enjoyed the video, and yeah, see ya.